Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will be doing a how I apply my eyelash tutorial. I don't want to do that much talking because I kind of want this video to be low-key short, but before we get into the video I need you guys to like, comment, and subscribe, because I'm telling you, like, this month of October I have so many ideas and I cannot wait for y'all to see them, so you gotta subscribe to see them. And while you at it, don't forget to hit the post notifications bell so you notify every single time I make a post, because I keep telling you, you do not want to miss it. This stuff I got for y'all this month. Let me just show the nails so y'all can see what I got in store. It's spooky season, baby. But enough of that. I'm going to get into the video because, like I said, I don't want it to be long. So without further ado, let's get into it. I am going to be using my lashes from the product collection, which is from a girl who lives in Akron, Ohio, and she sells like mink lashes, flat irons, all that good stuff. But I purchased a pair of mink lashes. For this tutorial you will need lashes, so let's get into it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that the lashes you have, you want to make sure you size them to your eye. So when I say size them to your eye, I mean like, I'm going to be using like this mirror and another mirror, by the way, so you guys, woo, that's the zoomed in edition. Woo! Can y'all see it? Let me stop. Okay, so you want to make sure they're sized to your eye. So I'm just going to like plop them on my eye, and they need clips, so I'm going to have to clip them. So when I say size them to your eye, it's just making sure they fit your eye, because you don't want your eye to be irritated when you use these lashes. So normally most lashes come with like that. So do you see like this end right here, how it's like long on that side? You want to clip that off because you don't want your eye to be irritated, especially not in the corner portion of your eyeball. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to clip this little portion off. Apply some mascara. You can literally apply any mascara you want, just so you can actually see your lashes. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara on my top lash. Woo! Make sure it's not cakey either, because if it's cakey then it's kind of gonna be hard to apply the Fossi. Okay, next thing you'll want to do is you want to get some eyelash tweezers. I meant tweezers. So you can either use eyelash tweezers, which I prefer, or I've seen people use just regular tweezers. I use both, but when I'm actually attaching the lash, I do use my eyelash tweezers because I feel like I have a better grip with them. This part right here is where your two index fingers will rest at, and you just pop them on your eye. With these, I'm clumsy, so I'd probably stab myself in the eye, so I figure why use these. I actually use these to blend my lashes together with the Fossi. We'll get into that momentarily. But at this moment right now, I'm going to get ready to apply my first lash. And you know how to apply the lash because the let me put these down. The smaller side, let me stick it on my hand, maybe that'll help. Okay, it didn't help. Okay, so as you can see, this is the lash. So the shorter side, oh my, I can't, what is wrong with this lash? Okay, so the shorter side is the side that you want to put in the inner part of your eye. So with the shorter side, the inner part of your eye is really, it can get irritated like that. So that's why I said you need to make sure you definitely clip them and measure them to your eye. So the it's going in this part, not like that, not like that. Don't put your eyelash on like that. So now I'm going to go in with some of my glue. I don't use hair glue because I don't care what none of y'all say. Hair glue will pull your eyelashes off because it's not for your eyes. I said it. So I'm going to be using my Super Stronghold eyelash adhesive, and it's in the clear. They have this in black, but I use clear. I like the clear one better. And this is by Kiss, and it's Eye Envy. I'll have the link for this in the description box below as well, so you guys can see it. So right now, and it has a tip, so you drag it across, so it's not hard to apply. So when you're applying glue to your lash, you want to make sure that the amount of glue you put on is even throughout the entire lash band. And I put a little bit more on my ends, so my corners. So I'm going to go ahead and dip it in, and I'm going to apply it. Make sure that it's a generous amount, but you don't want a lot on there. Just enough, if that makes any sort of sense. And with this lash glue, you know it's ready because it'll turn, I think it turns blue, maybe? I think it turns blue. Yeah, it turns blue. So it's white right now, and then when it's ready to attach, it turns blue, which is really cool because I hear some people say wait 60 seconds, and I hear some people say wait 30 seconds, but nobody really knows. So here's what it looks like with all the glue on there. As you can see, it's white, and you see on my ends I have more glue, of course. So now I'm going to take my bigger mirror, but you can use a small handheld mirror like this. I got this from Sally's, but I don't know. I prefer the other mirror personally, but it's whatever. So I'm going to take my eyelash tweezers, and I'm going to put the tweezers in the center of the eyelash. So it should look like this, because guess what? It's not going nowhere. It's not going nowhere. That's why I love these. And another thing, you want to make sure your index fingers are here so you can literally just plop it on your eye. So I'm going to hold this, and you want to make sure that the glue is tacky. If your glue not tacky, it's going to slip and slide all over your eye. That rhymed. I think I'm going to put that like as a quote. Slip and slide all over your eye. So you want to make sure that it's tacky. And when this is ready to attach, so I'm going to hold my mirror in this hand, and you'll see me looking down because I'm looking at the mirror. So when you attach them, you want to make sure you attach from the middle. So I'm kind of going up, pushing in. So I'm going to attach from the middle, taking my time, getting as close to my lash band as I can. And then I'm going to take these tweezers, and I'm going to, it's stuck. Oh boy, it's stuck. Oh boy, it's stuck. Okay. And so now I'm kind of like using my fingers, and these lashes are like mad dramatic. Some people like them, some people don't, but at the end of the day, I like my big blinks, so I'm gonna wear them. You can't. This is the lash attached, and I'm kind of using my fingers now to like pull and tug it a little bit now that it's actually attached in the area I want. You know, just flickering it like that, and it's attached. Big blink, no blink. Big blink, no blink. So now I'm gonna go ahead and attach my other one. Same exact way. So right now I'm applying glue to the lash. You want to make sure that the glue you apply is even throughout the entire lash, and make sure you put more glue on the ends of the lashes. Now I'm pinching my lashes together with my fingers. You can do this with your fingers or tweezers, whichever your preference is. But if you do choose to use your tweezers, make sure you hold them horizontally. So I would be holding them like this and pinching them. You don't want to stab your eye because that's not going to be cute. So after that, you can apply, if you have dramatic lashes like this, you definitely need to apply some mascara to your lower lash, because this bolt of a lash definitely needs help on the bottom part. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. I like my lashes dramatic. Sometimes I do a natural lash, but it just depends how I'm feeling. But I'm feeling like big blinks today, honey. Big blinks all fall. blink, blink, about to fly away. Period. That is the end of this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thumbs up. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the post notifications bell so you notify every single time I make a post, because I don't want y'all to miss what I got in store for you. Because I'm telling you, this month of October, baby, it's spooky season. Spooky season. I don't want y'all to miss what I got in store. See you in my next video.